Hey, all right, I want to show you my branding iron that I got from Pittsburgh Foundry on their website. They had great customer service. You can look through their site and see a whole bunch of cool stuff that they can do. I think they even make these for hamburger buns. All you need is some doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, propane, a lighter, and a wire brush. I like to use the wire brush just to clean off the brander. Let's see it in action. I like to start the lighter first and then slowly turn on the gas. You want to get your branding brass emblem or what have you pretty hot. So you want to kind of stay away from the blue portion of the flame and just let it soak in the heat. Just like you're roasting some weenies on the 4th of July. All right, when she's piping hot, all right, and lastly, just like always, there's a lot of sanding gonna happen. So the big tip is always have a piece of cutoff that you are branding into. In this case, this is some monkey pod. So that way you can do some practice runs. The density of different types of materials. Ooh. The density of different types of woods do make a little bit of a difference on how you're branding. So always make some practice runs on some cutoffs. But other than that, Pittsburgh Foundry had amazing customer service. They got to customize my branding tool that I use for the headstock of all my guitars. I love it.